मंगळारा आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी महालक्ष्मीच्या देवळान नाल्ल दवरून आपल्या प्रचाराक सुरवात केली। आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात पणजी मतदारसंघांतल्यान वेंचणूक लढयतले। काँग्रेस पक्षाबरोबर युती जातली म्हण आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलोवन दाखयला। पणजेन बदल घडोवन हाडपाक आपूण ह्या मतदारसंघांतल्यान वेंचणूक लढयता अशें बाबूश हांणी मिडिया कडेन उलयतना सांगलें। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजीच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
For the past 25 years, what has happened in Panjim, people of Panjim know. So I feel the Panjim needs a change. What my humble request to the people of Panjim is one simple thing. You all have given the other party 25 years. You just give me 5 years and see how I change the face of Panjim.
So what are your campaign strategies for the 2017 elections?
My campaign strategy is very simple, as I always do. I just go door to door to meet the people. And I seek their blessing, and I ask them their support. It is I believe this time their support will be for a change for Panjim. Nothing called stronghold and all. See, every candidate has got to work. I always believe MLA has got to work. It is unlike the United States, what happens, there's a recall of a senator. If basically a senator doesn't do his job properly, he can be recalled. There is no such provision in our constitution. So I believe if there was such provision, long back the Panjim of the MLA of Panjim would have been recalled. We are still in talks with the Congress party. I think today evening will come.
Alliance is a positive sense, sir.
Alliance, there are positive sense.
Alliance like कितले seat तुमचे?
We have asked for a couple of seats. I think that will be.
What is the number?
I've asked for one seat from the south, in fact, from Marmagua. There is nothing called anti-BJP. It is I am for pro-development and pro-employment. That is my main plan. I am come to Panjim to seek the support of the people and to assure them that I will develop Panjim like Panjim has seen no development before. And secondly, is most important thing is employment. I will see that at least one person in a family will get employment.
Whom do you blame, Mr. Parrikar or Siddharth?
I don't blame. I blame the person's vision. The person has no vision, whoever represented this constituency for past 25 years. I have got a vision document for Panjim. I will be it is not a question of releasing manifesto. I will be giving my vision document to the people when I visit in their house.